Yo, hey, welcome on in. Good to see ya. Happy Thursday. We're almost to the weekend. Hey, how's it going there? Ren, Ocean, and Nomsky. Wait, Nomsky, yeah. Nomsky Targ. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Oh, wait, what am I even doing today? Here, let me pull this up. Okay, here we go. We're going to be building, we're going to continue the tutorial for our anomaly detection with Rust and the Candle library. Yo, Quick Fix, hello. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Hope you are doing good so far. Hope you're having a good day. We're making our way over here to get ourselves into some more Rust. And we actually got this build yesterday. I'm actually kind of surprised by that. We got our norm defined. We need to finish that. So we've actually got a good plan today. We've got a good plan. And I've got a fun game thing planned for maybe tomorrow. We'll see. It might be pretty interesting. Or not whatsoever. Who knows? Sometimes, sometimes doesn't anything is interesting sometimes. Let's see. Enable the overlay, please. Oh, sure. Hello, Bet Lee. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Thursday. The overlay. Here we go. Okay. Overlay added. Yo, that is some busy overlay there. You got some busy overlay going on. What is that? Yo, that's me. Hey, I see it. I can see it. It looks good on Twitch. I can see it. You made me. I see my photo. Well, check that out. That's neat. You guys are clever. You made something. You sure did. Whoa. That is pretty fascinating. Good job. That was unexpected. Very nice. Good job. I find that very satisfying. I want to actually pull this up on this screen here. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's take a look at the bigger... Well, okay, now it's just a bunch of dark. It's just a bunch of dark now. I like this, though. I can see that right there. That's pretty neat. Okay, that might get a little bit too... there's the black screen that's annoying. It's not Quick Fix and not doing it. Oh, someone else is doing it. Okay. Someone's doing it. Yeah, they are. Hey, Lennon, welcome on in. Yo, how's it going there, Digno? Hello, Digno. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Oh, Fanta. Hey, fantastic. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Hi, make videos of how to use Block's website. Oh, wait, really? How to use Block's video website? Yeah. All right, let's see here. Well, you can't see anything. Okay, so I'll turn it off. I'll turn the screen off for a little while. We'll see. Draw vertical. There we go. Okay. Draw vertical. Okay. I'll bring it back. I'll bring it back as soon as we take a look at it. Right now, it's a little crazy. It's a little crazy right now. Yeah, so we can do some videos on this. So we did do this for about 2 weeks. We did a coverage on this for 2 weeks. We will do some more coverage on this. It's pretty straightforward to use. Hey, how's it going there, Crazy Mario Puppets? Welcome on in. Good to have you guys here. With your re-implementation, you managed to solve the lag problem by masking the latency. Bet Lee, very nice. We'll take a look at it here. Well, I'll keep jumping back over to it. Yeah. So we've got some plans coming up here. We will cover some more blocks usage to build your own AI agents. Yeah. Build your own agents. You were about to ask too, like maybe you can make a quick video demo how to use it live. Absolutely. Yeah. I'm with you on that. We could do that, Linum. Let's do it. We'll do it sometime. I don't have that prepared for today. So for now, we've got our anomaly detection. And don't worry, we've got a lot of days. To cover that. So plenty of days. We'll make it work. We're going to make it work. Yo, Velo creators. Hey, how is it going in there? It's going good. Thank you for asking. We're going to be building ourselves a little bit of anomaly detection. Just a smidgen of anomaly detection. You tried asking yesterday, but your comment would always get deleted. Oh, Ryan, cool. What did you ask? What was it? Oh, to make videos of the block website. Got it. Okay. Right. The black storm stopping? Is it? Okay. It's Fanta. Let's take a look. Oh, it is. Oh, it's back. Okay. All right. So we'll bring some of this back. There we go. Okay. All right. We're back now. Let's see here. We'll bring this back over here. Click this. Boop, boop, boop. Yo, YouTube button. Hey, that's nice. I like that. Where's that? Right around here? It's right here. Hey, that's pretty fancy. That is pretty fancy what you got going on there. Very nice. You guys are clever. That's you, is it? Good job. Thanks for the guy that's stopping it. Oh, he's bringing it back. It looks like it's coming back a little bit. This is your time, anomaly detection. Oh yeah, anomaly detection time. Yep. Uh-oh. Whoever brought it back. All right. Well, oh, we're them. No, we're going away. We're disappearing. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Let's see, vertical drawing here. Boop. Okay. And then drawing my face. Good. Okay, it's gone. Okay. Let's see if we can bring back our adventures here. What'd you say? No, Storm, please. I know. They took it away. This is an anomaly detection time, you guys. Anomaly detection. Credit to Quick Fix. It's fantastic. And Quick Fix. Credits to you guys. Good job. You did a good job. Good job at that. What anomalies are we detecting? Anything. It could be any kind of anomaly. So it's any time series data with a series of events. And right now we've got a series of events here. We're going to see if we can detect this anomaly right here, somewhere in the middle. We're going to see if we can detect that because it's different than all the other ones. Yeah, standard deviations and above. It's Fanta and you improving. It would be 10x faster, would it? Quick Fix? You guys did a really good job. You guys did a fantastic job. Good job, you guys. All right, let's close this. Bring the window back over here. Let's open up our anomaly detection window. We'll grab our anomaly detection a little bit here. And we already finished the data set. Now we're going to be doing our normalization function. You want to learn programming, Ryan? Cool. All right. Well, you are on the right channel. Let's learn together. Yo, Chris Cause, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right software engineering channel. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Today we're building a Rust candle library anomaly detection system. We're going to be following a tutorial. We're gonna make it our own. Like, as you can already see, we've modified it a little bit. We've changed it because you guys asked for it. What did we do good job on? Oh, you guys did a good job on drawing on the screen. You did a good job at drawing on the screen. Look at that. Yo, Crazy Mario Puppets. Hello, I'm Verity. Wait, hey Verity, and I'm going to say LARP 73 times. Well, okay, Crazy Mario Puppets. Holy Cross, good to see you. Greetings from Stockholm City in Sweden, Europe. Good to see you. I'm over here in Seattle, Washington. Sergio, welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to see you. Took statistics and learned the standard deviation. Cannot remember the formulas though. Well, we're going to be doing that today. We got ourselves some standard deviation formula. And it turns out you can do that. There's just one little function in here. Where is it? It's standard deviation right here. You just take the mean and you do some shifting. And that's it. That's all you got to do. Nice job. Yo, JM, good to see ya. Wait, who? JM? What are we doing today? Yo, idea prompt. We are building a an anomaly detection system using the Rust candle library. What's up, brother? JM, good to have you here. All right, you guys, let me see. Where are we at? Let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to take this function here and create a norm out of it. So we're going to say let our average equals data.mean on the 0. Return, capture the result. No storm. Is it? Nope, still storming. It's still storming. Look at that. It's going crazy. It's like basically makes it so we can't like they're not playing nice is what they're doing. They're not playing nice. What is an anomaly? Anomaly is a data point that is off from what it's usually supposed to be, right? So we've got data here, and then we've got a row that's weird, right? So we got an anomaly here that's odd. So let's do this. So we got an anomalous row right there. Just a smidgen of an anomaly right there. So let's go 4 by 7. So we got our 4 by 7 right there. Storm, hashtag storm stop. I know, it's still going. It's still storming. Curious if we speak my language, does it translate automatically for you? Yes, it does. Holy Cross. Hi, from Swedish. How are you? Well, hello. I'm doing good. I'm doing good from English. We're doing good from English. Stop Canvas Storm. Oh, it's back. Hey, want to do this? Check out Discord. Link share. We share our Canvas engine to draw like this. Hey, very nice. Very nice. There you go. Oh, no, it's back. I see what you're doing. What is the question mark after the function? Oh, so that is a unwrap. It's an unwrap. However, it's not fully an unwrap because it will return the results bubble up the results. And this is really useful because everything's wrapped in a result in Rust, right? Everything's wrapped in a result, which it looks like it's just a container. It's a container, right? So we wrap our return value in a result, and then we it could either be something or nothing, right? If it's good, it's going to be whatever we define it to be. It's going to be a tensor, basically a bunch of numbers, right? It's going to be all these numbers here. If we do a question mark, if we add a question mark at the end of it, when we're generating the output, it's going to return a result like that. So it's going to be a result tensor. Really simple, really straightforward, right? Nice sweater. Hey, a bridge tool. Thank you. Yeah, I'm getting fancy on my sweaters to look more professional on Zoom meetings, because I'm on Zoom meetings a lot throughout my day. Am I late? Yo, Sister 4, you're definitely not late. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Did you enjoy the yogurt and Oreo cookie version? Oreo cookie yogurt. Stay hydrated. All right. Yep. Thank you. Thank you, Deadly. Appreciate it. What's up? Yo, River. Hey, River. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. What is up? You're back with doing the day? Oh, we are building an anomaly detection in Rust with the candle library. Steven, what did you think of my base template for my Rust lint settings? Oh, I didn't check it. I only sent it to you. I only sent you our very minimal version of that, because what happened was we started building more and more Rust. We had another Rust project and another Rust project, and all the like restrictive settings that we had in Clippy, they were a little too much for some of our engineering teams. So we restricted some of them, we brought them back, and we normalized. Can you explain in detail what we're doing today? Prompt idea prompt, yes. So we're going to be using the Rust candle library. This is a machine learning library that lets us run our algorithms on GPUs, on accelerators. We're going to be building an anomaly detection, which is going to be following a tutorial from Coursera. And this is the code right here. We're going to make it our own. We're going to basically retype that code right here on the right side of the screen. We're going to make it on the left. So I've already made my own decisions here. We've implemented the norm function, and we need to work on that. Stephen Hawkins from Temu. Hey, how's it going there? Mick Rowe, welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. So wish you luck. River, good luck. You're starting school in 3. Excellent. All right. Well, you're going to do fine. You're going to do perfectly fine. You are on a new adventure. I'm kind of when you're in school, it's a lot easier than real life. I know it sounds like that's wrong. I know it sounds wrong. So don't worry. You're actually in a really easy spot. The canvas is clean now. Hashtag stop storm. Yo, look at that right there. I love that. That's so cool. That's awesome. Hashtag stop storm right there. Right there. Stop the storm. Whoop, whoop. Oh, it storms back. Oh, something's happening. What are we doing? What are we seeing here? What are you guys drawing? What you drawing? Advanced math. All right. I think later. I don't know. Well, you know what? Advanced math is a lot of fun. Oh, storm's back. Uh-oh, storm's back. All right. Hashtag stop storm. I know, right? Stop the storm. Who's doing that? Restrictive lint settings can be a bit overbearing. Yeah, very large teams. Yep. Oh, hey, it worked. Y'all stopped. Y'all stopped the storm. I love that. Hashtag stop storm. That's so funny. That's awesome. Hello, guys. DWSP. Good to see ya. Hope you're doing good over there. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. All right. You guys are doing a good job. You guys are doing a good job over there. Keep it going. Keep it going. You know what I could do is I could probably shrink this over. Well, do I want to do that? Yeah, I don't know. What server? Steven. Yo, Mike Blogger. Good to see ya. Hello, Steven Ruchit. Hello, pal. Good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing good. What server? The Steven Blum server. Oh, you mean the Discord server? Is that what's going on? Is that what that is? Oh, it's the Twitch logo. Yo, that's the Twitch logo. Yo, that's great. I just saw that's the Twitch logo. Very nice. Yo, Ruchit, thank you for the 100. Hey, appreciate it. You're wonderful. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. My gratitude to you. You're awesome. You're very awesome. Thank you, Ruchit. Yeah, this is neat. It's neat. You guys are doing good. Gotcha. All right, let's see. Let's go back. Let's see if we can get some code going. Well, we could probably leave this up on the screen a little bit, and then we'll just put the code window on the side. So I suppose that's something that we could do. We could just do that, right? And then we'll have our code window over here, and I'll just kind of shrink it down so we can see what's going on. We can take a look. We can keep things going there. Although it's gonna make it more difficult for me to see what's going on with our window over here. However, we'll be fine. Okay, so now let's try to figure it out. This is really difficult. Here, I'm gonna try to, we'll just split the window this way, the other direction. Candle, anomaly detection, the source, and then we go into the main file. There we go. All right, so we need to do the z-score name. Let's do this. Let's do the z-score. All right, so we get our average, and then we're gonna get our diff. Let our diff equals gonna be data.broadcast. Check out general chat and Discord, but I make you hungry. Hey, DWSP, did you make breakfast? You're my role model, Steven. Yo, Mike Blogger. Well, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's really nice for you to say. It's really nice for you to say. What is in general? We got breakfast over here. Yo, we got eggs. Hey, eggs and what is those? Bell peppers and onions. It looks like eggs, bell peppers, and onions. That is a solid breakfast right there. Very nice. Chicken fajitas. Oh, that's chicken. Got it. Wait, that just looks like scrambled eggs. Oh, that's chicken. That's not eggs. Well, it is. It's still part of the chicken. No, it's chicken fajitas. Yeah. You have lunch at 10:47. That's too early. I know, right? It's too early. Yo, River, language arts, advanced math, career investigations. Oh, you don't like it? And you have science, and you switch for some other things with a couple weeks with the smaller classes a lot. Well, River, wow. Well, I hope you're doing well, sister. All good. Hi, back after a long time. Yo, how's it going there, Nimzo, good to see you. Nimzo, good to see you. How much juice? Why do your fajitas look like soup? That's a lot of soup, isn't it? It's transparent. Oh, very nice. You upgraded it. Check that out right here. That is awesome. Here we go. Click. There we go. That's looking good. Very nice. Good, River. Set up the changed. Wait, you set up changed? Yes, we switched it from the camera was there and we moved it to there. Right? It was there and then we moved it to there. That's it. That's all it was. It's a little bit of a change there. Not too much of a change, but just a smidgen. Just a smidgen of a change. Broadcast sub. I'm going to type this out so I know better. Broadcast sub. So we're going to subtract and we're going to broadcast the subtraction over the average. So this means this is going to be a tensor, but it's going to be a scalar, right? I believe. We should print it out. We should print this out. Let's see here. Save. Print ln. Exclamation point. We're going to grab the average, and we're going to see what that looks like. Let's see what this looks like, yeah? There we go. Looking good? Looking good. Perfect. Let's see. You're clueless on what we're doing? Anomaly detection. John Madden. Yes, we're doing anomaly detection. This is going to be able to find something that's weird in the data set. Something that's a little bit weird right here, for example, right? Where's the weirdness? Well, it turns out the weirdness might be right around here or right there. That's where the weird's at. So we're going to see if we can get an AI that can detect it. Good stream. Hey, Deadly. Thank you. Yo, Mario Shrini. Good to see ya. Welcome on back. Mario Shrini has been an OG watcher from a long time. What are we coding here? Hey, one speedy boy. We are detecting some anomalies in our data. So you can see here on the screen, we got some anomalies. We're going to try to detect them. That's what we're currently doing. And while we're doing that, and we're coding, and for anyone who needs a lot of flickery things on the screen, we got plenty of flickery things happening right now. We got more than enough. Plenty of flickery things. Why not in C 95%? Wait, well, because we're doing it in Rust. We're building it in Rust, that's why. That's why. You want to be a photographer? Hey, very nice. So photographers, pretty vases and bowls, maybe even cups. River, that sounds fantastic. Do you know, Steven, even when you offline, we still watching your videos? Really? Do you really? Well, we're live right now. And that means that you are here, which is great. Thank you. Great. Very much. Can we see a better angle of your sliding? Wait, Nimzo. Wait, what do you mean? Of my sliding? What's that mean? What do you mean of my sliding? Are we doing this correctly? Are we on the right track? Is that we're doing it correctly? Let's see here. Oh, you look like someone I know. Oh, hey, how's it going there, Addison? Who do I look like? Let's see, wouldn't the median be better for extreme values, or are you going to do the mean? We're going to grab the variance, we're going to grab the square root, we're going to create a reciprocal, and we're going to grab some standard deviations. So we're going to calculate all the numbers and figure out which ones are on the outlier side of things. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. How many years has PubNub been around? About 15 years. About 15 years. So a decade and a half. That's a long time, right? That's a very long time. You look malnourished. Hey, I'm trying to gain weight. Hey, don't you worry. Trying to bacon and eggs in the morning? Oh, no, I don't worry. I eat very well. I eat broccoli. I eat broccoli. I sure do. Wouldn't the confidence intervals are a statistics thing that exclude other outlier values? Oh, okay. Well, we're trying to find the outlier values. So, right, we've got some outlier values right here on the screen. I don't know if you can see that, where my cursor is currently moving around. That's where the outliers are at. Hello from Indonesia. Vez, good to see you. V's, ew, broccoli, nasty. No, it's good. 1.5 decades. Yes, 1.5 decades or 15 years. You got it, Deadly. Bro, I remember Cillian Murphy. You look like him. Oh, you're twins. Well, I mean, Cillian Murphy. That's very nice for you to say that I look like a famous actor. Thank you very much. See, it's in marinated sauce, and it has egg, bell pepper, and onions. Ooh, marinating in sauce. There we go. So it's all the sauce that was doing it, DWSP. That sounds really good. All right, if I miss any of your chats, you guys just let me know. Bro, I remembered. Yep, you sure do. Yo, GGG, good to see you. Welcome on in. Let's see if we can get some more coding happening here, yeah? All right, I'd like to see what this looks like. Let's close that. And then we're going to split the window. We're going to say cargo run. Let's see if we can get this to build here. Okay, hello world. Where's that printing? What is this? Is this the median right there? And it is on the metal. Hey, very nice. It's on my accelerator. Tubercio, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. All right, so we got metal. We got our metal. And then are we printing the average? What I'd love to do here is say average, so I can see that a little bit better. Let's run that. Okay. What? Wait, hold on. Oh, I'm not even running the function. That's why. All right. Let norm, it's going to be a tensor, equals our, we didn't even make, so we have our data, right? So we're going to say data.norm, right? And we just return a question mark like that. Can we do that? Yeah, we can. Here we go. All right, we're making progress. Please. Did it work? It did not do what I wanted it to do. Sister 4, you'll learn how to code. All right. Well, you could learn how to code now. There's no reason to wait. I would recommend starting right now. I started when I was 11. So that's a long time. Yo, Londa, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Hi, people. Hi, Londa, hi. Good to see you. Welcome on in. All right. Let's see. What got you into coding, Mike Blogger? Building video games. I wanted to build video games. I wanted to build the video games. Can I ask how many years of experience in coding do you have? Yes, you can. Here, so my name is Stephen Blum, CTO co-founder at PubNub. I've been professionally coding and making money on software for 25 years. You lagged? I did for a second. I did. Well, we're back now. I hope we're doing good now. He's lagging? I am? Let me double check. Are we? All right, we look good. We're okay. I might have lagged there for a bit, where we're back now. Whoa, nice. Yeah. What does the model we're building look like, or is it explicitly written in functions? The model is going to be mostly a bunch of functions. It's not really a feed-forward model. It is going to be just an anomaly detection. So it's basically a tutorial. We're going to walk through the Rust Candle library, and we're going to use a lot of their functions. Have you ever wondered that seems like you have chats more active than most Twitch streamers? And a fast-paced random, you must have strong bandwidth for switching tasks. It does take a lot of focus. It does. It takes a smidgen of focus there. Just a bit of focus. Let's see where we grabbed our window back. There we go. Yo, look at the Twitch. Oh, hey, something's drawn over here. What's this? What is that? What are you drawing? What are you drawing? Is it good? Is it safe? Is it classroom safe? What is this? It looks like a Coca-Cola. What is that? What are you drawing? What is being drawn right now? What are you drawing over there? symbol. And forgive me, I don't check the channel description. Oh, no worries, GGG. You don't need to. There's nothing to worry about on that side. Nothing to worry about there. You need a job to help pay for your mom's heart surgery. Oh, hey, Project Hope. Yes, we are hiring. Yes, we are. We are hiring. Where we got some job postings around here. I've got them around here somewhere. I know I put them up. I put them up. I saved them on purpose. So that way we can look through them.
A great person like you, sir.
Yo! Hey, Don Moxley! Forever! Good to see ya! Yo, Don Moxley! I know, it's sad about Dolly Parton. It was very sad at Don's Moxley. Yeah, I remember. That was very sad, yeah. Dolly Parton has touched every one of our lives, I believe. What an influential person, right? That was in pace. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Don's Mowgli. That's a cat? Is it a cat? Was it really? Was it a cat? Oh, it is. I can see it now. It's more than one cat. That's more than one cat. Yo, very nice. Such sweet lady loss. I know, right? It was kind of sad. It was very sad. Very, very sad. So sad. You hope the dog went and found Dolly? Yeah, I agree. I agree, Bonzupi. I'm with you on that. Sad situation. Okay, so so I got the norm. I did the norm, data.norm, and then I've got my norm, and then I can say print ln exclamation point our norm. Let's see if we can see this. Our norm there. Bring that in. Save. Build. Let's build this now. Let's build and run it. See, there's the norm. The norm comes through. Where's my average? Where's my average at? Where is this happening? What's going on? Why is that not working? I should be able to see this, but it's not printing. Happy Thursday, Prasham. Good to see you. Welcome on in. You got jobs? I need to look at them. Hey, DWSP. Absolutely, we sure do. You go to our jobs section here, which is, I'm going to bring up in a new window. Just go to careers. Click on careers, and we've got some jobs right around here. Where they at? Oh, what? It must be broken. I'll need to talk. Don't worry, we definitely have jobs. They're weird. Okay, that's the first time I've ever seen it. It was empty. All right, we'll have to look at that later. We'll have to figure out why it's not working. New setup, Prasham. Yes, indeed. You got it. Yep. We got the camera just slightly moved over. And with JavaScript to qualify in PubNub, JavaScript, you need, well, if you're going to be programming, you need Rust. A current opening role for Rust. So we have Rust. One opening job role for Rust, you guys. How to escape tutorial? Could you give us some advice? Yes, V's. Build a project. Build a project. I mean, kind of what we're doing right now is a little more on the tutorial side. It really is. Why is this not working right here? Why is that not working? Print. If we save that, it's going to give me an error, right? Because it knows. Print our average. Let's save that. Try to rerun it. Build. Because I'm actually running the function. So what are we printing out here? Where's all of our prints at? The kosher grass. Very nice detail. Very nice detail. Yo, like the kitty cats. Hey, look at that. On my screen, for me, it's over here. But for you, it's right around down here somewhere. Or it could be over there. Or over there. I don't know. Yo, it's the guy who likes Minecraft from yesterday. Hey, how's it going there? My Marino? Good to see ya. You made a wallpaper style you love. It reminds you of pixel art. It's a pretty cool picture. I think that's a pretty cool picture. Yo, Code Mitsu, good to see you. Welcome on in. Hello, everyone. How's your day going? We're having a good day today. Thank you for asking. JavaScript. So, Mike Blogger, you need Rust. You need Rust, you guys. Howard Hulks, see. Hey, I was going there. Drep, if you're still here. Howard Hulks punch effect space-time. I don't think it would a little bit. It would a little bit. Yo, what's going on here? What are we seeing? What is that? What is this? What is this line right here? What are you guys doing? What is that? I synced your weather app anytime and your real-time updated a wallpaper in a mini game. Oh, hey, very nice. That is on your phone? You're talking about on your phone? Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer? I don't know. I mean, probably, is it wrong to say Michael Jackson? Is that wrong? Because he was like disgraced and whatnot. I missed your message, sister. What'd you say? I missed your message again? Okay, what'd you say? What do I use to code? VS Code, I think. VS Code at sister. Use VS Code. I think that's the easy option. I think that's the easy option. Bro, you look like Freddie Highmore in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Wait, who is that? Who is that? Hold on, I want to see. Freddie Highmore. Oh, wait, really? You think so? I don't know about that. I don't know about that. I think it's a different person. I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know, but maybe, I don't know. I don't see it. Hello from Africa. Hey, first time viewer, what's going on? What are we doing? We're building a anomaly detection using the Rust Candle library. The Rust Candle library lets us build algorithms with the GPU. Yo, Alex, good to have you here. Thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. We're going to be building some AI today. AI and Rust. Get ready. Enable the overlay. Okay. We'll grab the overlay going here. There you go. Overlay enabled. Right there. Overlay enabled, you guys. Oh, wait 1 second. Oh, where's this at here? Oh, wait. How old are you, bro? 25 years experience? Yo, Londa. I'm in my 40s at Londa. Where are we at? Londa. I'm in my 40s. Thank you for asking, Londa. Note++. Oh, Notepad++. Yes. Notepad++ is also a good program to use. It's also a good one. Right there. Okay. Let's get back to some more of our coding here. So why is this function not executing when I'm calling this? And it's also being very, very worky here. So am I printing out the norm? Am I actually getting the norm? Is this actually working? So let's try to run this again. Also, what am I printing here? Where is all my prints at? So where is this? So that's data. Oh, so we can delete that. We don't need that anymore. Save that. Rerun, cargo run. So I should see just a few things on my screen. Good. Okay. Hello world. I get my norm, and then I get something else here. A empty tensor. I'm getting an empty tensor. This is very weird. Notepad++ didn't come with IntelliSense. So it's just syntax highlighting, right? That's all you get. Yo, you remember me. Hey, Fadi, good to see you from yesterday. How's it going, man? It's going good. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. We're going to continue our Rust anomaly detection today. That's what we're doing right now. Top level comprehension. If you're able to code in it, it's a really good coding environment because it forces you to write everything from scratch by hand without any help. Fadi, nice, yeah. Tensor, wait, you resent the use of the word tensor. When are we talking about multi-dimensional arrays? See, UV man, exactly. I feel exactly the same way. You and I are on the same wavelength here. The idea with the tensor and stochastic and all these fancy terms are just a little strange and kind of gatekeeping. I feel like it's gatekeeping because it's locking a lot of people out from being able to do these really simple things because it really just means number. That's all it means. It means number. Number, right? It means number. How long have you been making this and how many lines of code does it currently have? It has 41 lines of code. Right here you can see 41 lines of code. I don't know if you can see that right here. I don't know if you can see that. It says 41 right there. 41 lines of code. All right there from scratch. Yes, why we love Notepad++. I'm with you. We've got more to go. We're not nearly done. We're not all the way done here. But I really would. I'd really love to see this. Here we go. Where's this? All right, can I return my average maybe? So let's return average. I think that's all we have to do is just say average or out maybe. So let's hide this for now. We're going to say okay. And oh, that's why I got a 1 there. Okay. That is very odd though. That is very odd. So it should return the average. There we go. And then done. Okay. I should be able to save that. No errors, right? No errors. We're looking good. Looking good now. Okay. So we got our overlay going here. Okay. Let's close this. Close that here. And then bring that window back over here. Okay. Is this Rust? Yeah, UV man, it sure is. This is Rust. You got it. You are on the right track there. We got ourselves some Rust going. Just a smidgen. Okay, and then we got our average, and then none of this is printing, which is strange. Let's see, print. All right, so we're gonna return our average. We got our norm. We're gonna self that norm. Average. We don't need anything else, I don't think. Do you want to keep this canvas screen every time you stream or just a few days? Probably just for a few days. Probably just for a few days. Well, and it's right there. I can like turn it on and off easy. So it's not like it's hard to turn on and off. Because it's not knowing in the window smaller and disable the overlay. Oh, wait. Because it's not knowing if the window is smaller and disable the overlay. Oh, gotcha. So if you're thinking like just keep the window small here, like that. And then we can disable the overlay. And then it's fine. So something like this. Disable overlay right there. So like that is what you're saying? Like that? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? Oh, yes, can see that programs have more than, yes, one file. Yes. Example, 42 lines and another 100 working together because when I open up an app on Windows, it is not an all-in-one file. That's correct. That is correct. Not all in one file. In our case, the code that we've written is only 42 lines of code at this point. It will be one directory with a lot of files. Yeah, it would. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Fantastic. Sounds good. Improving viewer creativity. There we go. There we go. I'm with you there. Okay, where is our norm? I'd love to see what this norm looks like. Oh, I just love to see that. All right, run. Show me a good norm. 11. It says 11. Is that correct? Is that correct? Here, let's change this over here. So we'll go like 10, 10. That should increase. That should increase the average to 18. Okay, good. We are on the right track. Okay, we're making progress. We are making progress. All right, so we can save this. Average, mean. So let's grab our diff. We'll return our diff here. Right, yeah, like that. Oh, wait. Oh, it didn't like that. Why not? Can a file value mean? Oh, because the average. There we go. Average. Save that. Run. See what it looks like. It is still the diff. Wait, base broadcast and the average. Data. So recentered it. Okay. That should be more than... Because I'm getting the data and we're broadcasting the average, which is going to be subscribed. We're going to basically center our data is what we got to do right now. Sister, it's good to see you. Thank you for hanging out with us. How old are you, if you don't mind? Ibrahim, I'm in my 40s. I am in my 40s. In which coding field do you think AI fails the most? It would be where it has the least amount of code to run on. So probably things like COBOL and Fortran and Pascal. Those things are probably not very good at those kinds of programming language because there's just not that much code for them to train on. I'm just guessing. I've not tried this, and the fields where there's less coding examples for them to learn from. So I don't know, like AAA Game Studio Lua scripts or something like that, right? Probably something like that, right? 100, do you need a deep knowledge of math to know what you're doing? A little bit, yeah. Yo, it's me. Hey, check that out. Hey, is that you, Quick Fix? That's pretty fantastic. You even got rid of the background color. That's impressive. Is Java hard? Java is pretty challenging. It's verbose, and it has a lot of abstractions. Actually, it's a pretty good programming language. By the way, where did you learn coding? Also, I learned coding from YouTube and from, let's see, before YouTube was a thing, I learned them from videos. So YouTube wasn't around when I started learning, so I learned from a book. It was called Sam's Teach Yourself C++ in 24 Hours. It came with a CD compact disc, and it had a Borland C++ compiler on it. That's where I learned. That's where I learned, you guys. Let me know. Let me know. Damn, you look way younger than 40. Keep on going, man. Yo, Fatty, thank you. Thank you, Fatty. Did I say your name correctly there? The subtitles don't show that correctly. Sorry about that. Fatty. How about that? No, still not? Okay. Roham. How about Roham? There we go, Roham. I made an audio radio using textual. Can you check it out? Wait, that Vasper. Hey, good to see you. What do you mean radio? Did GCC not exist yet? No, it didn't. Not when I was doing it. Not back then. I saw you playing JavaScript and Rust like it's nothing. Yeah. Well, yeah, absolutely. We've been coding in this for years, you guys. By the way, how did you, let's see, need a deep knowledge. Okay, if I missed your chat message, you guys let me know. Oh, sister, I missed your message. How to draw Steven's face. Oh, ask him for Discord. Get the Discord. There you go. Go to general and then get the GitHub link. There you go. I see you say the pin right there. All right, pin message done. Sister, it is pinned. We pinned it message. Hello, what is the project for today? Hey, Written Ocean. Today we're building an anomaly detection system. Yo, let's go in there. Zalagan? Wait, as you say that. Zalagan. Hey, bro. You know ML? I sure do. We are building an anomaly detection today. A smidgen of anomaly detection. Just a bit, just a smidgen. And I think we have to do a .squr here, so that way we can average that out. Let me see what that looks like. Oh, we have to put a question mark at the end of that. Boom. Okay, let's see what that runs. Yo, a rainbow. Hey, very nice. You guys are creative. How old are you? Hey, how's it going there, Katshi? I'm in my 40s. I'm pretty old now. Everyone calls me that. Just like, yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. Roham is the only thing that shows up correctly on my subtitles. Anomaly of what? Of anything. We're going to be checking anomaly of this line right here. So you can see this line on the screen right there. We're going to be trying to see if we can get the model to find that anomaly. Are you using TensorFlow? We're using Candle. We're using the Candle library. It's a Hugging Face library inspired by PyTorch, written for Rust. What's the project? We're Anomaly Detection. We're doing some anomaly detection. Steven, can we send your project so you can give us feedbacks? Yes, Mike Blogger, absolutely. 40s aren't old. You're good. I'm not saying old is bad though. Okay, understood. Thank you, Winnie. You, bro, doing some gaming. Hey, we could do that eventually. At one point, we will. By the way, do you have a Discord? Yes, we do. Roham, we have a Discord here. Right here. Question: where do you find the job post at PubNum? So, it's broken. It's broken. I will talk with team after stream. It's on the careers page, so I'll send you a link here. All right, yeah. Where's our careers at? Company's careers. All right, it'll be here. That's where the link is, right there. All right there. Oh, it's me. Hey, how's it going there, Derek? Over there, Dina. Hi. At Dina. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Do you code new project every day? Oh, Ibrahim. No, usually code a new project every week or so. About every week. 45 to 46? Definitely. I'm definitely in my 40s. I'm not going to give you the exact number. Are you British? Hey, I am American, I guess is what you say. I live in Seattle, Washington. Seattle, Washington, you guys. So you're creating AI right now? Yes, we are. Yes, we are. All right, I'll send you the link over there. Yo, Pepsi. Yo. Hey, you made it in. Whoa. You made it in. All right. Very nice. Hi. Good to see you from stream. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Good to have you here. Let's see, what are you guys drawing over there? You guys are drawing some fun stuff. Can we please see the app? I sent you the link. Where'd you send it? That Vasper, can you please see the app I sent you in the link? What link? Did you send it in Discord? Where did you send it? Link share maybe? You send it over in link share? I don't see it. I don't see it. One of the best energies on YouTube. Yo, world famous. Hey, good to have you here. Welcome on in. Does your wrist hurt from keyboard typing? No, because I'm keeping my wrists at a 90-degree angle. So I'm keeping them here, and then I just type like this, and it works perfectly fine. As long as you keep your wrists at a 90-degree angle, it's perfect. It did not hurt. Discord contract. Hey, Codemitsu. Shapes enable users to develop personal AI chatbots easily. They do. They sure do. Why wouldn't they? Can you tell me how measure neural networks parameters like each step during backpropagation? Can you tell me how to measure neural networks parameters? What do you mean measure? What are you talking about? Are you talking about the gradient descent? Are you talking about creating the gradients, which are just matrices typically for applying the loss to each of the layers? To measure them? Are you talking about how many parameters there are? You don't need to measure them. You just count. You just say how many there are. This is pretty easy. Code. Wait, someday you'll understand the code. Hey, all right, sounds good, Ren. You will for sure. 10% focus on work, 90% working on the chat. I know, yeah, I know. We got more work to do here. We got lots of work to do here. So let's see, did I do that correctly? So let's grab this over here. Let's do some more. We'll just do a smidge more here, right? Open up the Candle Coursera Anomaly Detection source main file. And we need to finish this function here. Did I do this correctly? I did that part correctly. Then we get the variance now. We gotta grab the variance here. A little bit of variance in there. Did you didn't read the chat? Oh wait, I didn't. You can make a game like Poke Mini Game, potentially Shooter 2. Search it up on Google. I know what the game is. That would be a fun. Yo, Neva, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. PubNub ads, by the way. Yeah, it's definitely a few PubNub ads there. I see 3 of them now. Yeah, I see him. Yeah, good job, Fanta. Good job. Discord, AI company shapes, all our programmers stay Seattle. Oh, are all great programmers stay at Seattle? The creator of Fred Editor also lives in Seattle, Washington. Linum, I didn't know that. I didn't know. I did not know that. I know there are good developers in Seattle because, you know, Microsoft is here, Amazon is here. We got some big companies that live here, yeah? Yeah, if I missed your chat message, let me know, you guys. Gradient descent, log, odds, covariance, regularization, and the regular variance. Yeah, there you go. What happened to your project? Ibrahim, which one? Why do you code these projects? Do you sell them? No, they're for education. Let's learn together, you guys. Let's learn together to be experts in software engineering. Let's do that. Oh, that Vasper. Oh, I see your link. Can you make a PayPal mod APK? What does that mean? Let's see. For how long have you been coding for your life? Yes. So good question. I've been software engineer professionally 25 years writing code, and currently co-founder CTO at PubNub. Todd Green's CEO and co-founder. We raised 134 million Series E, 1 billion devices on my network. Yep, that's right. And you can see all the things that we do on our website. We do a lot of things. Hey, how's it going there, Siobhan? Siobhan, good to see it. Jay, bro, welcome on in. Good to have you here. Does big companies know about you? Yes, they sure do. Absolutely. Let me see if I can show that here. Let me zoom out. Scroll. Oh, that's where I had that. Here we go. There's our opening job positions right there. Here you go. Job positions right there, you guys. All right, so let's go to the homepage here. Yes, so we've got some companies that use us and know us, of course. I'll give you some links there. For why do you code these projects? Right. What happened to your project? Okay, code. All right, let me know if I missed any of your chat messages, you guys. What is the most project that you're proud of? Definitely PubNub. Definitely PubNub. Stevens a million, guys. Hey, Mike Blogger, thank you. Covariance is tricky because it's n squared. Like you would ideally take the gradient and multiply it by the inverse covariant to get the natural gradient. But alas, we can't. Okay. How is this guy 40 and 15 at the same time? Hey, Mr. Hooverich? Hey, Mr. Hooverich. Well, I don't know. I don't know how it works. That's just drink water and eat broccoli. That's what I could tell you. Drink water, eat broccoli. That is a good practice right there. Drink water, eat broccoli. Right there. Drink water, eat broccoli. PubNub? Yes, PubNub's the answer. Coding make you healthy? Probably. I don't know. Maybe. Not that software is industry. I'm chemistry in major. Oh, hey, Dread Me. Hey, very nice. Chemistry. All right. You're in a good industry there. Entertained by your vibe and aesthetic. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dread Me. I appreciate it. You are awesome. You are awesome. Oh, wait. I didn't see. All right. So, hey, that Vasper, I saw your message here. So let's see if we can pull this in. Vibe coded. Okay. Immediate. I could see you all vibe coded that. Let's see. Can I zoom out maybe here a little bit? Okay. Let's see here. So do you really want me to just review computer generated code? Is that what you want me to do? You want me to look at the computer generated code? Let's see. I mean, it's pretty clean. I see, the annotations there. What is it called? What are these called? Do you guys remember? The flat. No, I can't remember what those called. Do you guys remember? What is this called when you annotate a function? A decorator. That's what it's called. A decorator. That's what it is right there. What is PubNub? PubNub is a globally distributed messaging infrastructure. It's my company. It allows you to communicate. So what you see here right now on my screen are other people sending data from their computer to my computer. That uses PubNub. So they're drawing my face. They're drawing a rainbow. They're drawing PubNub. They're drawing some chat boxes, it seems, and a pyramid. Oh, look, really cool triangles. Triangle pyramid right there. Only work in PubNub or in another company? Wait, at Londa, what do you mean? Londa, currently, yes. Only PubNub, yes. Only PubNub right now. Only work at PN today. Yep, you got it. It's your company? Yes, it is. Yes, this is my company, you guys. Started this company over 15 years ago with Todd Green, and we have over 1 billion devices on our network, and we're doing good. We are doing good. Steven, I'm sure errors don't scare you anymore, right? They don't. Why would they? They're usually curiosities, and they're like, wait, why isn't that not working? It should work. It should be working. I don't know why it's not working. What's the deal? What is the deal? Why is that not working? I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. Do you do YouTube for fun? Yes. At Chew. Yes. You pretty much, yeah. Congratulations on the success of your company, Steven. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you very much, CodeMitsu. You guys are awesome. What is the future of agentic AI? Should I learn it? Yes, you should. Absolutely. That is the current modern stack. So if you want to be, in the world of evolution and innovation, you want to be building agents. Yeah. How does free software make profit? Yours is free, right? It's free forever for any... Oh, what is this? Are we drawing a flower? Hey, is that Jin Lu? Jin Lu's the only one that's got blue over there. Jin Lu is here. I know it. I knew it. Jin Lu, you guys. Wait 1 second. The scariest thing in unexpected, all tests passed, right? Exactly. That's a good point. Wait, the test should not have be passing. Why are they all passing? Something's not right. Something's not right. Jin Lu, haha, I knew it. I knew it was you, Jin Lu. You got the blue stroke there. Do you use Codex? And had a game dev optimization question. World famous, yes, I have used Codex before. I have definitely used Codex. I use Codex, Claude, Gemini, Anti-Gravity. I've used a little cursor, but I like staying in my terminal window. And Grok and Brock. All of the AIs. Free buff as well. See, if I missed your message, you guys let me know. So you got our decorators in here. Let me see. A whole bunch of yields. There's no way a human wrote that. There's no way. That is, look at all those yields. Wow. I've never seen that many yields ever. I've never seen so many yields. That's crazy. Steven leaves in a mention. Wait, where's that? What do you mean? Mike Blogger, what do you mean? Leaves in a mention? Wait, I missed it. If it's free, how is it your only job? You need money to eat, or free software is profitable somehow? Oh, wait, so it's free to a certain point, right? So you go to pubnub.com, you click on the pricing, and you see there's a free forever option here, right? Free forever for up to 1 million users, a million messages, and then 200 users. So basically free forever if it's for personal use or for very small app deployments, free forever. And you have to pay money after that. So it's not for free forever, free perfectly. You kind of look like a poorly made AI image yourself. Hey, PK. Normal human man from Earth. No further questions necessary. No further questions. We don't need PK. Steven, how can you tell if code has been written by AI? Mike Blogger? Oh, it's very obvious. You can see, first off, these M dashes everywhere, right? M dash is one. And often there's a lot of emoticons. There's also a lot of structure around it. And this is also very commonly AI generated. You could see that for project structure. So you could tell immediately. Also, if you go into the source code here, you can see this style of Python doc is very rarely used by humans, unless you're writing a library. So that's very rare. So doc strings, very rare. That's also, and this level of doc string. So, and decorators aren't very often used as well. They are sometimes though. The AI usually just dumps everything into one file. That's also true. That's also true. Everything in one file, you guys. See, if I miss your chat, you guys let me know. All right, let's get back to our code. AI would not factor functions out because it just finds copy pasting easier. It's so much easier. It is much easier. So much easier, you guys. Where is our pretty... Oh, yo, what is that? You're drawing a face? You're drawing a face over there. All right, let's get next to it. So we need to grab our variance. All right, so let's do that. Let variance equals our diff. Wait, no. Diff.mean 0. So we're going to grab the average of that. So that's the variance. We're going to grab let standard deviation equals variance.square root. The square root there. Let me grab that as a question mark. Save. Looking good. Okay, so far so good. Let's see if we can return this. What is your favorite movie? Contact or Interstellar? Contact or Interstellar? I like Jodie Foster in Contact, and then I like Interstellar. And both of them have, what's his face? The main protagonist in Interstellar. He's in both movies. What's his name? What's that protagonist in Interstellar? Interstellar protagonist. Who's that? That guy. What's his name? What's the actor's name? Who's that? The actor's name. Where? Do you guys know? By example, Matthew McConaughey. J-Fam, thank you. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yes, Matthew McConaughey is both in the Contact movie with Jodie Foster and in Interstellar. They're my favorite movies. I just love those. They're fantastic. Interstellar, yeah. Hey, Hassan, good to see you. Welcome on in. Do you have employees with you? Yes, we have a lot of employees at PubNub. About 120. 120 employees. Not a solo, no. We're 120 employees. Ibrahim, I mean, for what we've done so far and how many years that we've been around, 120 employees is actually, it's an okay size. I think we're doing good. We're doing good. Right on, right on. Hey, right on, right on. Yeah, you know it. Hey, J-Fam, you know it. That means you know what's going on. It's see, by example, there you go. Just a random shape that uses my local timestamp as an RNG. Oh, interesting. Okay. As of recent, could you check the AI watermark? But I believe it's currently being implemented by Anthropic. Kodebitsu. Is it? I think there's a lot of AI watermarks that are being implemented right now. Quite a few AI watermarks. I'm with you on that. I am. Made it yourself? AI only? Made the MD file. Did you really, that Vasper? Are you sure? Are you sure? Do you want me to find out? Let's see here. All right, so the only way to see is proof. So let's look at this. End of commit history, initial commit. I don't believe you. Nope, sorry. You don't have any Git history to show anything that you've done. There's not there. You didn't have the history. It's not there. AI wrote it. AI wrote it. It did. You can't tell me otherwise. You don't have any proof. What are we doing? Hey, Lucas, Nate, we're reviewing someone's code. And it turns out it was AI generated, which is fine. It's just, there's no reason for me to look at it, right? There's no reason. There's not one reason. Yo, how's it going there? Yifrim Montaya? Good to see ya. Thanks for saying hi. It takes me so long to do that. It takes a long time. One commit, exactly, Bentley, exactly. World famous use Codex. Me too, I like Codex. Modern devs replicate PS2 era asset streaming optimization without a disk. The PS2 era, I remember that, right? Change the name of the norm to Z-norm or something. Instead of changing it to Z-score, I just changed it to norm, right? I changed it to norm. I don't know if that's what you're talking about, me or not. Steven, listen to me. The norm method is taken by tensor. Oh, really? Okay. Stephen norm. All right. Thank you. All right, let's try this. How about that? Oh, there we go. Okay, so I have to change that over here. 1 second. Stephen norm. Like that. No, didn't like it. This method takes one argument. We don't need the data. We have the self. Okay, so we have to. All right. Thank you. You fixed it. I was wondering what was going on. I'm like, why isn't it not working? You fixed it. So we have to figure it out though. Hey, Leonardo, good to see you. Welcome on in. What are we looking at? Your employees' degrees? I'm planning on taking 0 paid. What does that mean? 0 paid crits? What does that mean? Ibrahim, what does that mean? 0 paid. Ibrahim, Steven, listen to me. Norm method. Yep. That was Linum. How do you choose your employees? What are you looking for? Can your company or your other company, even if you have $0 courses? Oh, so we choose them based on the credentials that we are looking for right at the time, right? We interview you. We make sure that you have the knowledge that's necessary for the role. And then we look for communication style patterns. Are you able to collaborate with us in a team? That is the biggest part of the interview cycle. Are you a good collaborator? That's it. That's really it. It's communication. Certs, we don't care about certs. Certs, No. Certs, no. No certs. Don't care about certs. We don't. That's not a thing. At least, even for our size, right? For our size, you'd think it does, but it doesn't. We don't care about certs. You want a signature like and self tensor and implement if for tensor. Yes. Yes, exactly, Neva. Exactly. Let's see. I have old PSP. The PlayStation Portable? Sergio, you do? I remember that. It slides up. Yeah, I remember that. Wish you could mod it. Whoa. Leonardo, hi. What are we looking to see here? If I miss your chat message, you guys just let me know. Just let me know. Okay, man, as you wish. I know I did. Oh, but thank you anyways for seeing it. Are you sure? Are you sure? Did you really? Okay, so it really doesn't look like it. However, what is the code? A pure UI textual app for browsing radio stations loaded by config.json. No actual playback is wired up. I'm just taking a look. So play, you've got your class, your audio player. Okay. Player MVP. Okay, so what is this? Where's our MVP at? What is that? MVP? What is this? Okay, what is import MVP? What is that? I'm actually kind of curious. Let's take a look at that real quick. Requirements, MVP. Do you see that here? Okay, we do. Python MVP. Okay, so this is an external library. Hey, Cardinal, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Do you use Candle because you are proficient in Rust or better than... I like PyTorch. PyTorch is my favorite. I like PyTorch a lot. However, Candle is a lot like PyTorch, yeah? You can use PyTorch in Rust with libtorch and the torch module with the torch crate. We did that before. Now we're learning the Candle library. That's what we're doing now. We're learning the Candle library, you guys. Keeping it easy with the Candle library. There we go. A little bit of Candle library. People usually don't document all their methods with comments. Yeah, Bentley, it definitely looks like it still doesn't quite look except either top tier. All right, so interesting. Okay. Station item, a single selectable station row. Okay, so maybe, yeah. Also a list item. Why a list item? Let's see here. Now playing. Oh, so we're doing UI. It's just, this looks weird. This is odd. It's very indented, and it could be human written. However, it's difficult to follow. This is difficult to follow. So if you really did write this, I would change this up a little bit. It's just odd. Seeing the yields is weird. Seeing the yields is pretty weird. Just a smidgen weird. Maybe partially AI, partially human. Jinlu, it could be. That's right. It could be both. It could be. PyTorch is the best. It's usually the performant. Yes. Have good fused tensors. Fused tensors. Yeah. Fused kernels, right? Fused, you can do a compile, and that will create a kernel for you dynamically and merge multiple operations. So that way you don't have to worry about the memory bandwidth limitation. Keep the canvas on. Oh, keep the canvas on. Sorry, I missed it. Where are we at? There we go. Hey, there we go. Grilled cheese, you guys. Grilled cheese. I'm actually hungry now. Misspoke, did you? Oh, kernels. Gotcha. Kernels. Yeah. Kernels, yeah. All right. I'm with you on that. Do you use, Rust helps with you as building? Oh, Derek, that reminds me, you wrote a fused CNN kernel, you did? Which was faster than Torch compile recently. Wow, that actually makes sense. You can absolutely do that because now you can custom build your own, CUDA kernel if you're doing CUDA or whatever, to perform the tasks that specifically you're trying to target. So make a mega kernel and it will be faster. It will be, Derek. That totally makes sense. Yeah. It totally makes sense. If I miss your chat message, you guys just let me know. I can do multiple separate lines. Oh, wait, really? You can? Oh, I see it. How are you doing that? Hey, Jinlu, how? Do you have 2 devices? 2 devices at Jinlu? Yeah, 2 of them? If a person had the skills and knowledge, will he be able to land a big salary by remote job? So, yes, if you really do have the skills and talent. And there's typically a salary adjustment based on your current location. So it won't be the same, it will still be good salary, it just won't be the same salary. Typically, if you're getting hired outside of the country from the headquarters, they're definitely, We don't do this, and I don't know of any other company that keeps the salaries the same across every continent. It's very often lower based on the current expectation and the median for the salaries in your country. That's typically what it is. Every new line is drawn with a different UUID. Oh, there we go. So when you pick up your pen, you draw a new one. You pick up your pen, you draw a new one. It's a new UUID. Hey, very nice. Hey, how's it going there, user? Good to see you. Welcome on in, user. Good to have you here. I think he's instantiating 2 clients. Yes, 2 user IDs. Yes, I'm with you. Currently doing an audit on yourself with years of understanding on how your brain works to see if a job position would be a good fit for me, essentially. I use AI like a second brain. I've been hearing about that, DWSP, the second brain. Oh, weird. We're still connected on the browser. Yeah, that we should be. I think that would make sense, yeah? Okay, if I missed your message, you guys, just let me know. I'm gonna start coding again. Hey, that Vasper, if you're still here, I mean, if this really was your code, it's actually pretty clean. I don't like the if statements everywhere. And the pass, I don't think is a good choice to use. And there's too many if statements, and your indentation is too much. I would recommend rewriting it and simplifying it, so that way you have less indentation. If that's my own desire. So, I mean, separate lines still connected on the browser. Oh, but they're disconnected on the iPad. Got it. That is weird. They should be independent. They should be independent. Yo, hey, Shubham, thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on and happy Thursday. We're building a anomaly detection AI candle library in Rust. That's what we're doing today. Let's say you started from 0. How will you land a good job first? You can't. I don't recommend it. Don't do that. Do not do that. That's wrong. I mean, you could do what I did. So you're called internships or apprenticeships, or entry-level jobs, right? So you could be a tech support, IT, entry-level IT. You could do, what is it? There's quality assurance. Try those first. Do those first. Those are roles that don't mandate that you have software engineering skills. However, you should have them by the time you enter those. What's going on here? Hey, Prod Murph, good to see you. We're currently doing a code review, and I provided my feedback. If that Vasper, if you're still here, let me double check at that Vasper. I don't see you. Okay. All right, Vasper's gone. Oh well. Hey, Ibrahim, it was good to have you here. Thank you. Some of them are disconnected. They should be. They're supposed to be disconnected, right? They're supposed to be. Let me do a reload on that. All right. Little reload there. Hello, sir. Hey, Kyogu, good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Hello, sir. Hello. With training, having fast iterations helps a lot for most things, and Python just lets you do that well. Python does a very good job of that. I agree. I absolutely agree. So, Ibrahim, let me know if that sounded like it made sense. Get A+ network and then start entry-level IT support. There you go, world famous, exactly. You know it. All right, this argument takes one value. However, what I want to do instead is return that, hide everything here. There we go. Save. We want to delete this. So we're only going to grab ourself. And then I need to, that should be fine. Method Stevenborn has one parameter, line 21. Yes. Oh, right. Here we go. I always forget. It's really annoying that you have to do this, by the way. It's really annoying. Okay. There we go. All right, making progress. See if we can cargo run this. Cargo run. There we go. Does your company use Python too? Yes, we do. We use Python for data analysis. Kyogu, absolutely. A little bit of data analysis there. All right, that looks correct. Okay. All right, excellent. Now we've got it on the right track. So what I'd love to do is see what our data is. How do we grab the actual tensor value? How do we do that? So I don't know what the actual answer is, and we're going to be grabbing this ourselves. And I need to ask the question, Let me grab this over here real quick. Yo, how's it going there, K Doki? Hey, K Doki Waku Duo. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Hope you're doing good. Jiminy. All right. How to get value of tensor from self. All right. I'm just going to do this. Tensor from self. All right. We're going to take a little look at that. Data. Oh, it's called data. Self. Data is self data. Oh, you can do. Oh, that's well. Oh, okay. Oh, good. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, all right. Good. All right. Hey, thank you. All right. So self, yeah, like that. We can return the average. Let's try this. Hey, thank you. Hey, Linum, thank you. You're awesome. Average. All right, let's try that. Yeah, look at that right there. Hey, that's what I'm looking for. Oh, it's so good. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. All right, so let's do this. Print ln. Oh, it's a whole new world now. It's a whole new world. Check this out. Oh, I feel so good. It's like that moment of happiness that just overwhelms you. All right, so this is our average. There we go. Average, thank you. Grab the correct keystrokes. Print that out. Let's run it. Let's see. It should be the average. There we go. We averaged across the dimensions. Mean all is your favorite tensor operation. Just average everything. The whole average. Every single one. Leave no number unbehind. Hey, nice drawings. You guys are doing good drawings over there with the boxes. Good drawing on the boxes. I like those. Forgot day's live stream. Today's live stream. Oh, hey, Rushil. You know what? We're good to go. How's it going there? Legan? Yo, Legan. Which data are you using for anomaly detection? We're currently doing a test data set here. So we built our own data. Really tiny data right there. Oh, if you can see that. See that right there? Is there data right here? A little bit of data. A little bit of data right here. Just a smidgen of data. And we're going to see if we can detect the anomaly on this line right here. That line right there. Neva is correct. Whatever data you want to anomaly detect, we can detect. Certifications aren't the biggest problem. Extremely good teamwork and communication skills are the most important. That makes me feel very confident. Communication skills. DWSP, there you go. That is critical. You got it. Yeah, you can do Vim magic to sub all data into itself. Hey, we got some Vim magic there. A little bit of Vim magic. Being in this stream triggers my imposter syndrome all over again. You don't know Rust? Hey, Code Me Too. You can learn Rust. You want to figure out how to do that? Check this out. Go to Google. Go right there. Google Rust by example. Right there. This brings you up into a nice, beautiful landing page of all these Google opportunities here. And you click on the video section and you can see all the videos. And there's quite a few videos I built. If you want, we can walk through Rust together. What is F32? It is a floating point 32-bit. 32-bit float. That's what that is. That's what F32 is. All right there. Thank you for the wonderful drawings, you guys. All right. Let's see here. 1 second. Okay. Let's get on with let's see if we can at least get the norm going, the Steven norm here. Steven, would you be interested in an AI educator for PubNub to market the new AI things you guys made? I am very interested in that. I am, absolutely. We currently have we do have some of those roles. I'll let you know when those roles are available, if you really want. If you want. We currently don't have any open. We currently have them all filled. And we are educating on the AI tech that we are building right now. We do have some folks in there. Neva, absolutely. I will, since you mentioned it, although I probably won't get to you in time by the time we have another role open, but when we do, I'll let you know first. Rust mainly utilized for, it's a systems level language, right? So it's built for systems, critical systems, if you need it for a critical system. So that's why we use it at PubNub, because we have a critical message bus that a lot of people are using, a lot of companies are using for guaranteed message delivery. We cannot lose data. We cannot. That is not our business. Our data is to make sure that when you send messages, it gets to where it needs to go, right? And you can see right now, a lot of messages are being painted to my screen. A lot of messages. Is that Vasper still here? Oh, hey, that Vasper, if you're still here, I was looking through your code and I actually gave you some feedback. Did you hear it? Hey, that Vasper, did you hear the feedback? I think you were gone because I actually did walk through your code. I walked through it. Next time, build an app using Flutter. Yo! There we go. Reading some information on now, memory efficient and optimal. Yeah, it is. Rust. The compiler has parallelism safety, memory safety, concurrency safety, all at compile time. Whoa, yeah, check that out. Not many other languages do that. Regular colon and a mega colon? It's just bigger? Wait, I actually don't know, DWSB. What's the best way to learn transformers? Oh, so the best way to learn transformers is to build one. It's the build one, yeah. Also, I do have some videos that we're releasing that'll tell you about the transformer architecture explained simply in non-engineering terms. Hey, Null Zero, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Rust can be suboptimal compared to Swift for code that abuses Arc. Oh, be careful about abusing Arc, you guys. Automatic reference counting. A little bit of automatic reference counting there. All right, let me see. Building. I need to grab this over here. All right, so let's do this. Grab this. Self.broadcast. That's square. Let's grab this. We'll grab our diff here. I want to see everything. I want to see it all. Let's grab this. We're going to grab our diff. We're going to average. We're going to grab our variance. Yeah, let's do a little bit of variance in here. A smidgen of variance. I want to see what this looks like. A little bit of variance there. And our standard deviation. Let's grab this as well. A little bit of standard deviation up there. Delete that. Standard deviation. There we go. Looking good. Yo, Caleb. Good to see. Oh, Cable. Official. Good to see you. Yo, what's up? Good to see you again. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Let's give you lots of control on you to use this to your optimal. You sure could. Oh, not NPS. Oh, wait, Derek. I missed your message over there. Team Avatar. How long does the image stay before fading? 5 seconds. Derek. 5 seconds. Let's see why it was very funny. Why is the device not NPS? And the compiler is bloated because of it. Is it? Wait, Derek, I missed your message. I lost the context. I didn't see it. Yo, hey, how's it going there? Wait, your name's difficult to say. It's good to see you again. I remember your name. Let's see. Azmazorario. Hey, it's good to see you. Welcome on back. Solana Network runs on Rust, so that's important for any Web3 developing chain. Yes, Rust is really good for Web3. Yo, Minecraft. Hey, check that out. Look at that. That's my favorite game right there. How you remember so long though? Cabal, your name. I remember your name. I just remember it because I say it. Here's how you remember. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a trick to remembering names. If you don't ever say them out loud, you basically will never remember them. You have to say them aloud. That's why, thou shalt who never should be named is a way to have humanity to forget them. Thou shalt who not be named. Right? Is it Voldemort? Uh-oh, you guys know now, right? Do not name him. Do not name him by name. It's because you remember. If you say it out loud, you remember. You go live every day? I do, yes. Every day around 8 a.m. You can tell the difference between TensorFlow and scikit-learn. Yes. One is deep learning and one is standard machine learning. Scikit-learn, basic machine learning, which is good, right? Regressions and things like that, linear regressions. Deep learning is when you have multiple layers and you add GPU acceleration. Scikit-learn is only CPU. The GOAT, Cabal, hey, thank you. You're wonderful. You are absolutely wonderful. That makes a lot of sense. Nice. Are you shocked to actually remember me? Hey, I do, because your name's difficult to remember. Taru. Yo, we got some more Minecraft over here. Very nice. Yo, Hor hi at Hor. Hello. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We're building variational anomaly detection. We're doing anomaly detection today. I forgot my teacher's name. I call him her teacher name in your language. The teacher, yeah. I like how you use the Harry Potter analogy. Yeah, it's a good one. It's like a good analogy. That's why the teacher says names a lot. There you go. That's exactly it. Otherwise, you don't remember. Bro, CSN, IBASK, something? What does that mean? I actually don't know what that means. You can use a variational autoencoder for anomaly detection? I actually don't know. Can you? I'm not sure. Hey, Yuval, good to see you. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Let's see, make a lot of sense. Shocked. For example, if you implement crafting interpreters in safe Rust, you would probably do a lot worse than Java even. Really? Really? Yeah, you can, Derek? Wow. That's impressive. That is impressive. Okay, how much time do we have left here? Okay, so we got 10 minutes. We got enough time. I would love to finish this function here. So let me close this out. So let's finish this. Broadcast sub square root question mark. All right, so let's make sure we got everything. So we do a sub and a square. We do a square there. So that way we can recenter everything and square it so that way it goes above 0. And then we've got our variance. Variance with our squared diff. Right, our diff mean. So then we average it again. We grab the square root to get the standard deviation. And then we normalize. So let norm equals self dot broadcast sub the average, and then we broadcast something else. What do we broadcast here? We're going to broadcast our standard deviation. Okay. Standard deviation. There we go. Question mark. And then we'll do an ampersand here, probably because it's a tensor, right? It's a smidgen of a tensor. Yep. Okay. Save, and we return the average. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So now we got to figure out what's wrong. Turns out, except for the names called Key and Peel, teacher episode, AA Ron. Yo, that is a reference right there. Implementing GCC in safe Rust is hard and slow, and Java just has GC. Oh, implementing garbage collection in safe Rust. Okay, got it. Yeah, that's fair. That's absolutely fair. It is. We broadcast divide. Whoa, Linum, thank you. Thank you for mentioning it. Div, not sub. Div.
Bro, what?
Yo,
what you using for real time speech to text on live stream?
You want to know? You want to know? Whoa, love the sweater. Thank you, Kyle. It is a very comfy sweater. I like the Minecraft. I like the creeper, you guys. I like the creeper. All right, you guys want to know? This is software that I wrote many years ago called Twitch OBS Subtitles. If you Google for that, you will find it. It'll let you add your own live subtitles on your stream or in your Zoom meeting or in your Google Meet or Team Meets, whatever you want to do. Thank you for that. Appreciate it. You're wonderful. See here, I click at thank you. Thank you very much. Say thank you, please. Thank you, please. You don't know, but you're AFK. Well, there we go. Thank you, Linum, for the broadcast divide. You're awesome. Let me see here. So now we need to figure out where did we fail here? Where did we do this at? Where's our failure? Is it there? Oh, mean isn't a thing. I said it's called average. There we go. Average. There we go. That didn't do the trick. That's not enough. Broadcast it. No name broadcast divide. There's not. Oh, because we need to do a question mark. Right there. There we go. Hey, much better. All right, let's see if we can finish this function. Close that out. Looking good. Cargo run. There we go. Is Rust getting better of you today? Oh, no. Cargo. It always does. It always gets the better of me, Kyle. It is not any less or worse better. Oh, wow. We got a lot of nans in there. Hey, it's looking interesting. Is that look correct, though? Is that what we want? Do we want those nans? Is that correct? Norm looks weird. The norm looks weird. Is that correct? Is that what it should be? Overlay in OBS, please. Sure. For a smidge, we could do that. There you go. Overlay. Overlay. Hey, there's the creeper. Very nice. Very nice. Looking good, you guys. Looking good. Does that look correct? Do you guys think that's correct? It looks weird. Steven, you need to add small number to avoid not a numbers. So we need to add, we could do a broadcast add, is what you're saying? What's going on here? Let's see if we, W equals, control W equals. Let's see if we got everything correct here. So let's do our first, let's go. So we got our average here. We got our mean 0, looks good. Then we've got our diff broadcast sub with the average, and then we do a square root. Oh, a square. We square it, not square root, a square. Meme in Discord, Rashil. All right. Is it in GitHub? Yes, it is. This is in GitHub. You got it. This is in GitHub. I'll send you a link on our Discord under link share. Link share, there you go. All right there. Meme, here we go. Got some memes going. Whoa! Hey, you found it! Yo, you found... That's a video from a long time ago, you guys. That is a long time ago video. I can click it, but the problem is if I click it, it's got some copyright music on it. If I click, it'll be copyright music. I don't know if I can click that. Let's see. You are evil. Hey, wait. Oh, where'd you do that? What's going on? Did I miss it? Is it under general? Pepsi. Hey, yeah. So this was, let's see here. Oh, right. Whenever you divide by anything, you always make sure it's positive and then add a small number. Yeah. All right. So we did a square. We averaged again, and then we got the variance. So let's see where our problem is. We've got a problem here. So here's our standard deviation. Okay, so that's where the problem is. We've got some zeros in here. Our variance, and then the diff. So the diff is where our problem's at right now. Okay, so we see the diff is where we need help. OBS overlay, yeah, we got it. OBS overlay. All right, there. Serious question. Do you know Captain have this position at PubNub Developer Marketing Manager Blocks Network? The reason why I ask is because this career path best fits who I am. Oh, DWSP, that sounds great. Yes, so if you want, definitely if you get a chance, these roles are available right there. You might copyright yourself. Also, can you read my last message, please? Linum, yes. What'd you say, Linum? I heard that even just translating straight from Python or Go to Rust, it still performs much better. Yes. Is that true, Stephen? Yes, it is. Or do we need fancy tricks? No. Just standard vanilla translation from Python to Rust or Go to Rust or Java to Rust. Typically, you are going to get much better performance. You will. Absolutely. Maybe you realize the overlay on your only covers your face. Oh, does it? Is it possible for people to draw things that are not TOS friendly on the overlay? It's a bit dangerous. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. I mean, you have the access to. Just don't do that though. Yeah, don't do that. That would be a problem. As long as idiomatic Rust, yes. If you use arc mutex, then no. Okay, so if you use some arc and some mutex, then no. I love avoiding arc mutex myself. I do. I love avoiding it. Resize the camera to overlay on your face cam. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see it. So it would only be on my face. Got it. I see what you're saying. I could. So that way it looks like on my face. Okay, I'll do that. I don't know if I could do, let me see here, 1 second. Vertical draw, here we go, clicking the button, all right. Boom, let's see here. There, okay. It's centered, but it's not quite there. All right, anyway, we gave it a try. We tried. Then let's see here, 1 second, all right. Sorry for my typos. Some voice to text, watching SpongeBob singing I Captain A, I Captain A, DWSP. I see, I remember that. I remember that right there. All right, so where are we at here? We're good. Okay. I would love to see this work without some nans. We got a lot of numbers in here, though. We got a lot of numbers that are 0. So is this correct? So right here on our diff is where we got a problem. What is this tensor here? Average. Does it throw a tensor there? Okay, so good. So here's our average. That part's fine. And then we've got a 7. That seems fine too. That's a dimension of 7. Got it. And we got our diff. The diff is the problem. So maybe we can broadcast add or something like that. There's a little bit of broadcast adding in there. The music is anxious, just a smidgen anxious. Just a bit. For some reason, your bacon visualizer just keeps building forever. I'll press 1 key to wake it up. Maybe because you're using WSL. It will keep building anytime it notices a change. So whenever there's a change on the directory or any of the files that would be compiled, Rust Bacon will rebuild. It's a watcher. It's running watch on the file system. So anytime something changes, it runs build. PubHub? Wait, what do you mean? Let's see. 1 second, yeah. Okay. All right. Okay, I think we're good. It's play on words. Bentley, yeah, I was going to draw on PubNub. Variation PubHub. Oh, to distinct the colors, but it's family-friendly stream. Yes, I see what you're saying. That is a common mistake. It is a common, you know, we hear that a lot. We do. Close the canvas window, keep the canvas overlay on your face so the viewers are more focused on what we're working on. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Right there. Right there. Okay. Let's see here. Let's close this really quick. Close that. Okay. So I think we need to do on our diff. So this is weird. So dot broadcast add, and we'll say like a 1.0. We'll try that. Something like that. Yeah. Can we do that? It needs to be a tensor. It's got to be a tensor. Okay. So new. Do we have any tensors in here? So let t equal tensor new. How do we do this? Wait. There's a way to do this. There's a tensor up here from slice. We could do from slice, I suppose. Okay, let's do a tensor from slice. Right there. Copy that. Paste in over here. Tensor from slice. And we're going to pass in an ampersand 1.0. This will be a 1 dot nothing with our self.device. I hope we can get this self.device here. Can we grab that? I don't know if we can or not. We're going to try it. It's safe for work stream. It's a little bit safe for work. IPv4 is the address size, please. It's up to 3.4 billion, right? Or is it 4.3 billion? Is it 4.3 billion? What is the address size, please? It's very big. It's very big. Does your desk ergonomic issue cause you issues? No. Hey, pro folk, no. I keep my wrists at a 90-degree angle for the most part, so I'm mostly just typed like this. We're good. We're good. Self.device will give you the device. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Linum. All right, let's see here. Let's bring this out here. Save that. Okay, hide that again. Oh, let's hide this. Go. Save. Build. Looks good. Okay. Let t is a t equals to a new tensor. There we go. Save that. Why did that fail? Unexpected. Here we go. Okay. All right. Now then we're going to add that tensor. Let's see if we can add this tensor here. The t to build it. Oh, we need to add the address of t. That's right. There we go. Let's try to build that now. No nans. Did we get rid of the nans? Are the nans gone? We did it. We got rid of the nans. Oh, wait. No. We hit an error. The data type. Okay. It needs to be an F32. So I'm going to type this over here once. F32. Like that. There we go. Try that now. There we go. Nans eliminated. Hey, Neva, thank you. We fixed it. IPv6 is like 400 trillion or something like that. It's a very big number. 400 trillion, you guys. That's a very, very big number. Supremely big. I like me some IPv6. Okay, let's see here. All right, let's add this. Git status. All right, git add, git commit. We added, what did we add? We added the norm. Norm completed. We'll try to finish the rest tomorrow. There we go. You don't want to be a world where you run out of IPv6. 340 undecillion addresses. I think we're good. That's what they said about IPv4. Like, oh, that's billions of addresses. There won't be that many devices on the planet. Oh, there certainly are now. There certainly are. Isn't that crazy? It's so crazy. Yo, Luis, good to see you. What are we working on? We're building an anomaly detection with Rust Candle Library. We're going to see if we can detect some anomalies. Cargo run. There's an anomaly right there. You can see it. It's found where the anomaly exists. It knows. It sees it. It found it right there. Look at that. So that's just for the norm. So we're going to grab all of our norms and we're going to see anything that's different. And it found the difference under this column right here. You see these columns here. Right here. There you go. Right there. That's where it's at. Right there. The function look really funny. We're a good engineer. Get estimate should be great. Get the estimates. There you go. Yo, Kangol? Wait. Kangla. Hey, Kangla, you joined the right channel for software engineering. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. We are building an anomaly detection today with the Rust Hugging Face library that's called Candle. The Candle library, inspired by PyTorch. We love it. We're very happy about it. Check the canvas. Ooh, look at that. It's pretty. Stephen Blum in the Minecraft style. YouTube, Twitch. Yo, YouTube and Twitch. Hey, very nice. Let me zoom in on that. That's really fancy. Let's zoom in on that. Wait, how do we do this? Zoom in right there. Just a smidge zooming in. There we go. Hey, look at that. Very nice. Good job, Quick Fix. You guys are wonderful. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining today. We got through very little of our anomaly detection. However, we did get the anomalies to be detected. That counts. That counts right there. We have more functions to go. We have one more function to write, and we'll write that maybe tomorrow, or we might play a game tomorrow. Well, not like we'll play an engineering, we'll play trivia or something. We'll do something fun. IPv7 will fit into 2 to 64 devices. That's a big number right there. Hey, Sergio. Coding and learning Rust Candle is very fun. Yeah, Linum, thank you. You helped a lot today, Linum. Thank you. Thank you very much, Linum. You're awesome. All right, Linum. See you guys tomorrow. Had a lot of fun. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you, everyone. Good to see you, Sergio. Bet Lee as well. And Luis, good to have you here. Profolk, Bet Lee, Rushil, Kyle, Neva. Good to have you guys here. All right, Quick Fix. Thank you. And was it Factual? Factual as well. Thank you. Yo, Dario. Hey, why is 6 afraid of 7? Cause 7, 8, 9. Is that it? Later on, Bunzoopy. Thank you, Bunzoopy. Hey, Bunzoopy, I'll check Slack, the Discord later. I'll check the Discord later and see what you've done with your Clippy. All right, everyone, have a good rest of your day. See y'all tomorrow. Bye, everybody. All right, we're clicking the done button here. Hey, later, y'all. See ya. Bye, everybody. How to draw on Steven. Yep, there you go. Bye. Bye, guys. See you, Dario.